It's Rude, reusers of unloved discarded excess. And it's Rude Girl here. I've just walked into my dining area and guess what? Rude Boy's set up. Hello, Rude Boy.
Hello, my workshop you're talking about.
Yes, why aren't you out in your shed?
A bit more space here.
Well, as long as you fix it. So what are you doing?
Bought a replacement motor from China
For your chainsaw?
for my chainsaw.
Now this chainsaw is what, a STIHL?
Yeah, 250c. And I've got my tutorial happening here on my laptop, and I'm going in bit by bit, getting that clutch off. I have to stick a bit of rope into the cylinder, which if I didn't do that, the thing would just keep spinning, but the rope sort of acts as a cushion to lock the cylinder, which means I can undo the nut to get the clutch off. So that was very good.
And that is a tip you got from this man here.
Yes.
Chainsaw Teardown. Donny Boy 73, posted 3rd of March 2010. Well, that's about as old as the chainsaw, isn't it?
Yeah.
Thanks, Donny Boy. Here's Danny Boy. So that was a really good tip. So now what are you doing? You're getting
Well, I've
this...
got to pull all this apart around here so I can put
the new
that
one.
in there. So I've got to take all the covers off both sides. I've already got a bit of stuff on it.
Well, we can't see it when you place it up that high in the air. Right, that's the pull start. Okay. You've got more apart there on the table. You might have to call in the reassembler.
Just trying to work this guy's video sort of failed.
Yeah, and I'm just going to put a punch on there and just tap it.
How come he's wearing gloves and you're not wearing gloves?
I'm tough.
Tough Aussie. Did I come in at the wrong time?
Hopefully not. Just trying to get this rubber in.
So you're putting it back together, are you?
Yep.
Has it been hard?
Easy to pull apart, but again, it's a lot hard to put it together. So the motor's in.
Or fingers crossed, eh?
Yeah.
This chainsaw was certainly not discarded excess. We bought this new, but it was going to perhaps be if we couldn't fix it after it croaked it. So, Rude Boy, you're doing a test now because you've put the
$50 motor in, new one, grinder on the shape. A little bit of a back one. Typical. Give me a chance.
we get the message. What's the message? It goes.
We'll see how long the $50 motor lasts.
Yeah, well, that
Can't be any worse than the one that was in there.
beat the man. Well done.
I got a kit when we bought the chainsaw. Oil, chain oil, 2-stroke oil, and the tin. This is how much 2-stroke oil and how much use this chainsaw has had. I haven't even used the original 2-stroke oil bottle yet. That's pretty poor still.
For a motor to go.
For a motor to go, and it's only had probably 3 fills.
There you go. Very interesting.
Yep.
Not good still.
No. And here's the motor, by the way.
Oh, let's have a look at the motor.
Come to my bench.
Your messy shed. I love messy sheds.
Here's the motor I replaced. And if you look at the cylinder, look at that.
Oh, it's like scored.
Look at that. So that's very, very ordinary.
But why would that scoring? Is that what it's called? Scoring?
Yeah, scoring. I got told in the still shop that it could have been from running lean, which means not enough oil in the petrol. I've always checked and and double check that I've always ran the right mix in it.
We know you know what to do. The still shop didn't know that you know.
There could have been a bit of debris in the actual cylinder. That's the cylinder you can't see, but that's scored and stuffed as well.
Gosh.
So I was hoping it wasn't, and I would have bought a piston, but no,
It's gone.
it's gone. Yeah. They've got to be smooth as for these rings here. They're the things that actually touch the ball, not the piston, the ring. So I might buy one of these and a piston, because the bottom end, that's the bottom end. Hopefully that's all right.
And how much will that cost
That's
you?
about $30 from China.
Same thing.
So I'll have a spare motor.
Oh, well, that'll be good. Oh, I'm just so happy you've done that. And how do you feel having done it?
Really good, but it is a bit intensive. And that instructional video that I played forward done to pull it apart, then played backwards to put it back together, and a few modifications. I've found easier ways to do things compared to the guy in the video, but that's
Well,
good.
it's intensive because it was your first time ever doing
Yes.
a chainsaw, so
Yes.
of course it's going to be intensive. Oh,
So I.
yeah, well done. Oh, love stories like that. Beat the man.